Welcome back. This is Coach Sal Humawan from Las Vegas, Nevada. So, pag-usapan po natin ngayon, paano po natin sa swap kung meron tayong BNB para gawin natin itong USDT Polygon. Okay? Take note guys, ang USDT Polygon ay iba sa USDT BNB Smart Chain. Okay? So, ang kailangan po natin sa Optimum BIP to make a deposit is the USDT Polygon. At ang kagandahan po sa USDT Polygon ay napakababa po ng kanyang gas fee. So, ang gagawin po natin dito sa BNB, ayan, click lang po natin yung swap. Ayan, and then click swap. So, as you can see, yung box na sa itaas, yun yung panggagalingan ng coins. Saan natin ililipat to, papalitan natin yung network to Polygon Network. Under Polygon Network, anong coins? Hanapin natin yung USDT Tether. Alright? So, kalahati lang muna i-send natin kasi kailangan ko pa maggawa ng isang video for English version kasi makakaroon din tayo ng maraming mga kapartners that are English speakers. Okay? So, 0.034. So, kalahati niyan, gawin natin 0.015. Okay? 0.015. Okay? So, that should be good enough. And I will click continue. Ayan. And then confirm. So as you can see, ang network fee is 36 cents. And then a provider fee is 0.06. Napakababa. Less than almost 40 cents lang ang magagastos natin sa ating conversion. Okay? But nag-expired siya. So I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh and then click continue. Confirm. Okay? Continue natin siya. Transaction details. As you can see, it has been completed. Babalik tayo sa ating home. Ayan. Kung makikita po ninyo, ayan, nabawasan na po yung BNB natin. Inaantay na lang po nating matransfer yung amount sa ating USDT. Okay? Here we go. Kung pipindutin natin ang ating USDT right here, ayan. It's getting ready to be transferred. Meron na siyang plus 957. Here we go. So, that's it, guys. Once you have more than 20 USDT Polygon, then ready nyo na pong i-deposit yan sa Optimus VIP. Lagi ako nalilito sa Optimus saka Olympus eh. Optimus VIP. Alright guys.